Break up. Break up means to end a romantic relationship with someone. Example, they decided to break up after realizing they wanted different things in life.
I'm breaking up with you.
When?
Like, right now.
We should break up.
What?
You don't like me.
I don't like you. But I don't think we should break up.
What?
People don't break up with me.
Okay.
I'm breaking up with you.
I can't live like this. I break up with you. I break up with you.
This is over.
You can't break up with me. I mean, you're my best friend.
I think
I
we
do.
should break up.
What? You're breaking up with me? So you're breaking up with me because I'm too blonde?
Try on. Try on means to put on clothes or shoes to see if they fit or if you like them. Example, he decided to try on a few different sizes to find the best fit.
Try 'em on.
I'd also like to try on the tiara. Oh, yeah. Okay. What do you think? Too much?
A tad.
Try it on. How does it feel? Like it's someone else's. It isn't.
It's a t-shirt.
Come on, try it on. Put it on.
Somehow. Fine, I'll try it on. It's...
Buckle up. Buckle up means to fasten your seat belt in a car, airplane, or other vehicle to ensure safety. Example, make sure to buckle up even if you're sitting in the back seat.
Sit down. Buckle up. Buckle up.
Excuse me, ma'am. So sorry to interrupt, but you're gonna need to fasten your seatbelt.
Of course. Buckle up.
Like, this is really gonna save me if we crash.
Buckle it up. Buckle it up. Buckle it up or you'll die.
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys.
This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. Bad news is we're crash landing.
Seatbelts save lives. Buckle up every time.
Here we go.
Get along. Get along means to have a friendly relationship with someone or to be able to work well together. Example, even though they have different opinions, they still get along.
You guys get along all right? Well, don't work too hard.
I don't get along with my sister. She's so obnoxious.
Here's the deal, Columbus. I'm not easy to get along with.
Very nice, Shrek.
What? I told you coming here was a bad idea.
You could have at least tried to get along with my father.
You respect this place, you and I get along just fine.
I really feel like we get along well. He seems like a fun guy.
Guys, look, we're gonna be stuck here for a while, so let's just try and get along, okay?
Workout. Workout has a few meanings. The first is to exercise. Workout means to do exercise to make our body fit and strong. Example: I try to work out at the gym 3 times a week. He likes to work out in the morning before work.
Been working out, haven't you?
Another is to solve a problem. Work out can also mean to find a solution to a problem. Example: it took a while, but we finally worked out how to fix the issue.
I'll move in here tomorrow, and we'll work it out together.
We can resolve this. I know how you feel. We should talk. Okay, we can work this out.
Please don't do this. We have time. We can work it out.
Hang out. Hang out means to spend time relaxing or having fun with friends or family in casual way. Example: I love to hang out with my family at the park on Sundays.
No, I miss hanging out with you. Well, we still hang out. Not like we used to.
I miss this. Just like hanging out, you know?
Me too.
We should go get coffee.
We're having coffee.
No, I mean like outside coffee. Real world coffee. The point is we should hang out outside the hospital sometime.
Just wondering if you maybe wanted to hang out sometime?
Sure. That was fun. We should hang out again sometime.
Yeah, definitely.
You are so cute. We should hang out sometime after school.